Hello, hello. Shell's not too good this morning, so you just got me. I managed to get out in the week and just finish off the ends here and the back. So they're done, wrapped that. I'll probably wrap this a couple of times, just it's going to be behind board anyway. Got all the back corners cut in. Both sides are finished now. Shell's got all the insulation in all the way around, ready to foil up. Cut that window out. This window is going to be split in half really, and just be a small window behind the kitchen counter. So that one will be cut, painted at the bottom, insulated, and then I'll probably double glaze it. Some glue on there, so that all needs a clean. Obviously the back windows will be out for the pods, so I'm just wrapping up to there for now, and then I'll wrap the back later. But this is all on. Today I'm going to try, whilst the sun is in the sky, and it looks fairly clear, I'm going to try and get the uni-strut on the roof. 1475. Further down. Same on this one, 1475. 1475. It's good. I've just put a string line in, a couple of screws, and it goes near enough through my marks I've made, so I know I'm pretty much plumb centre there. And now I can measure off for my strut. 10, 2, 3, 400. Just want to have a look at the alignment of the...
The master washed off this morning, Dan.
Maximus, what?
The master washed off this morning.
All right, okay. Don't know why I went away, but getting told something off. Right, so we're going there like that. Oh gosh. So I've got the first one lined up where I'm going to have it at the top. I've just got it pinned for now, and I've got my markings where I'm going to drill up and through, pilot hole up, and then bore out for the recess for the washers, and we should all be good there. Both struts are lined up now, marked, and I can put some pilot holes through. I'm going to just follow, as I said, just follow the contour of the roof, because the panels will mount fine. I've got chunky L brackets. Oh well, no going back now. So I've got a 32mm spadey bit, and I'm just going to plough some out. I'm up on the roof and I'm gonna have to do one side at a time. So I'll do this one first. I've dry fitted all the bolts now and they're all in fine. So now I'll gunk it all up, seal it all in and screw it all up from the inside. I've just given around the holes a quick key with some paper and then I'm going to put some bonding on now. Right, I've got a washer and gunk on every hole, so I'm going to lay that in now and then gunk up around and underneath. It would roll off. Wow, it's sticking already with this stuff. Crikey, it bonds quick. Get a washer on top. And then the bolt through. There we go. Oh dear. I'm covered in gunk and the roof's covered in gunk. Well, that didn't go quite as planned. I thought I'd be able to do it on my own. You can see up there now, they're all fixed in. Whether you can see, yeah, there we go. Anyway, there's 4 fixings on either side into the main structure of the roof, sandwiching the Puraflex 40 in between. I never even got time to put gloves on, but they're on. They're fixed. They follow the contour of the roof. I'll be able to just mount the panels on and adjust the L brackets that I've got. The aerial for the 4G, the light bar at the front, and anything else we decide to mount up here, but there won't be much. Now, I'm just going to clean up a bit and then go from there. Ended up having to go and raise Shell from a sick bed, so she's not overly happy with me. Because I tried for half an hour to do it on my own and I couldn't get a socket between the strut. I couldn't get a spanner to stay between the struts. Yeah, I've ended up chipping my paintwork trying to get things to stay in, wedging chisels in between and so on and so forth. Anyway, it's on. 30, 40 minutes with me on my own trying. Couldn't get one tight. 2 seconds when Shell was on the other side with the buzz gun. But hey ho, I didn't think it'd go that way. So it's solar panels on once this is dry, but it's gonna have to have 24 hours to dry now and take everything down off the roof. The roof's a bit messy. I'm still considering painting the whole van, which would mean flattening all this off and then painting it. I like the RAF blue grey, but Shell says not yet, not until I've finished the other bit. So the inside bit, the bit that matters. So the blue grey is gonna have to wait, I think. I really thought I'd get some wiring done, but I'm gonna have to take Maximus to the shop and get some things for Mother's Day, because it's Mother's Day in the UK tomorrow. Hello, and you've only got me this morning. Shell's feeling a bit, let's do that again. It would roll off. Maximus. It's all right, don't worry.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war, there's never an option
upstairs.
to run.
It's the ladder. Ah!
Oh, Geronimo. Tears keep on falling.
Oh, gee whiz.
Oh, Geronimo.
That hurt my head. Right, up we go. Hopefully the ladder won't collapse. It feels a bit wonky today. Spin you around.